pledge allegiance to the streets, yup, in this Glock I trust. They be like, you think you the shit, I be like, yup, so what? Came along, we been masked up. I never ran from none, I just ran my cash up. Yup, big boy shit. Pledge allegiance to the streets, yeah, to the streets. I pledge allegiance to the streets. Know a nigga humble at the same time.
Get me the f off this fucking hell ride.
Not dare your ass to reach. I pledge allegiance to the streets. Like I trust.
We're going home, buddy.
You the shit, I be like, yup, so what?
Why are you stealing my boyfriend? Take him to Long Island all the time.
That's my boyfriend. I suck his. You don't.
Yo, you can't say that. There's kids that watch this. What's up, buddy?
Look what's here.
How are you? Who?
Look what's here.
Turbo truck.
Turbo truck. This is the school bus cruiser, dude.
The old turbo bus.
The old turbo bus.
Look at that.
The old turbo truck.
I hurt my eyeballs with the 85, man.
Pump gas, baby.
Two-step check.
Yeah, what's up with the roof up here?
Dude, that is...
What the f is...
Dude.
Who'd you buy this off of?
Some fucking... I don't know, dude.
Tonight's gonna be spicy, I think.
I think tonight's gonna be good.
Get out of here, I'm sweaty. I'm sweaty, motherfucker.
You are milky.
Yeah, I've been running around, dude. What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know. But we're here.
We're here? Thumbs.
Yeah, one beer, he's drunk.
Both of you are drunk. Not you.
Drinking. I've been on a boat all day.
Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. Mess around and catch a sting while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. Next day, got my net, got my jams, got my basket. Jellyfishing on them with my best friend Patrick. Khakis on my fabric, I make them disappear. But this is not a hat trick, this is not magic. This is psychiatric, move so elastic. Fantastic gymnastic. Cleaning on plastic, the way I twisted net.
Turn it up. I need nicotine. Stop being stressed. It's fucking the Jew.
30? What's it gonna be?
Pull right up that fucking starting line. This... Good night, buddy. What's up? Oh, it's like Fast and the Furious out here.
I'm off.
Yo!
Holy fuck, you better hope they're
Yo! You're not gonna do, Dave. You can't stop. Oh my God, David! Get me the fuck off this fucking hell ride.
Bad bitch.
You're a real sick.
Oh, that's a sign.
Yo! David,
I can't get out.
There's people walking. Get up.
you're gonna fucking kill us or something.
This is a cluster.
Was that not the most dangerous thing you've ever done in the vehicle?
He's trying to kill us. Dude, I was just, like, imagine one pothole.
That's all I was waiting for.
All we took
One jump.
One something, dude, and we were fucking not gonna have a good time.
You want me to push you from the back or no? Alright, are you in neutral? Oh, well, obviously.
Don't slow, dude.
I got you, buddy. We're going home. We're going home today. We're going home, buddy. We're not getting stopped tonight. I'm gonna give you a booster so you can make the turn. You want to go faster?
Yo! Oh my God, dude. What the fuck is going on? This is terrible. Dude, how fast are we going?
70.
Oh my
I'll push you to the
God.
bridge. I'm gonna hit the brakes.
David,
You're good.
this
Go.
is, you guys are really sick fucks.
Stop right there so I can give you a boost. Stop. So you can brake. You brake so I can give you a booster up on the trailer.
Sorry, Ma. Bad influence right there.
Good shit. Told you I was gonna do that.
No, he said, yo, you give us the blue Camaro's plate number, you could go. TJ's like, I got you. I was on Instagram for your plate number. Mike.
You can't even get one day off, huh? Go out.
Look at this motherfucker. Fuckers all came out here to gamble, and you guys didn't have no fucking gambling. I didn't get money.
I got him.
Get that on $30. Motherfuckers all.
Power.
Yeah, and then
The ground goes to the switch.
what kind of battery is that?
Cheap ass one.
Did he take off?
He fucking robbed Terry Rory, motherfucker. He's only 200.